Okay, so let's just take a general example. Let's just say we have got a set of vectors, which is vector v1, vector v2, all the way until vector n. Bese-ke sithi lama vectors lawa, they are actually an element of uv. So it means it's no vector space uv, and now ama vectors atholakala inside vector space uv. So the span of lama vectors lawa, ayisho sathi ispan is just a space that has got ama linear combinations wonke are possible. So the span of these vectors is otherwise known as a subspace of ama vectors. So basically, if we say ukuthi W is the span of these vectors, kahle ispan set yama vector kahle siyibiza ngani? Subspace. Yeah, we are now redefining a subspace in another way. So basically, W we say it is a what? Is a subspace of ubani? It's a subspace of V. So the other way of proving a set is a subset is a subspace of a vector. You must prove ukuthi kahle iyalingana nespan yakhe. But again, here, they say if UVN is linearly dependent, let's just take this sithini, sikhumbuzane nento le linearly dependent and linearly independent. Konje sasho ukuthi sathi thina must something, a set of vectors is linearly dependent. What does it mean? What does it mean? Linearly dependent. What does it mean? Ban? Sasho ukuthi konje linearly dependent. The primary definition is linear dependence. Because I don't think you can understand AMA basis without actually understanding linear dependence. When you say a set of vectors are linearly dependent, we should think ngayo set. No mean day one you about that set. We should one layer zero independent then. So now what dependent. Sayibona ngisho. Alright, ngisakhumbula ngasho when I was introducing linear dependence, I said when we say that a set of vectors is linearly dependent, it means if vector ekulapha phakathi, we can express it as a linear combination of other vectors within this space. Ngakho please make sure you understood that. For example, if we've got a set of vectors uv1, uv2, and uv3, we say if we can express uv3 as a linear combination of uv1 no v2, then we say this set is what? This set is linearly dependent. Shuthi singakwazi ukuthatha vector a1 siyibhale in form of what? In form of other vectors by multiplying with certain scalar multiples. So similarly lana, if we do the same thing and we say masingathi we express UVN if let's set linearly dependent, we can express UVN as what? We can express it as C1 times ubani times UV1 plus UC2 times UV2 plus until this express ubani UCN minus 1 times VN minus 1. Why is this? Remember, when we are expressing a vector as a linear combination of the other vectors, are we include yon? You don't include it. For example, this set is linearly dependent. It means ngakwazi express v3, for example, in using lamanyama vectors, excluding v3. So last we are using v1 no v2 alone. So same applies nalan. We are going to choose uv1, uv2 until the value before the last value, uvn minus 1. Lo n minus 1 sishuthi i-value i-vector. Let's just ensure sihamba uv1, v2 kanjalo. So this is the last vector in the space, angisho. So the vector before it soyibiza ngobani? Ngo-vn minus 1. If we say this set is linearly dependent, we express it using this notation. Sayibona ngisho leyo nto. So a subspace of vector V, it will still be the same because even if we use the set lena n of v1, v2 until uvn, that set it is still the span. So we can say the subspace, it is still the span of ubani, span of uv1, v2, all the way until ubani, until uvn. Yeah, until uvn. So lana again, subspace it is the span of this vector, right? At the same time, subspace yako, it is still equal to the span of uv1, v2, all the way until ubani uvn minus 1. So lana again, subspace yethu izohlezi ilingana nani nespan of ama vectors, whether it is linearly dependent noma it is linearly independent. So whether sikhipha uvn noma ukhona uvn phakathi, the subspace, it is still the span of what? Of the vectors. So in other ways, we can say uVn, it is not changing anything. It's either we can express it, no matter express Vn wethu within this set. Even if we include it, if we don't include it, still uW ubayeni by subspace vector V. So by this, that's when we bring the definition of a basis. So I will project it definition lana khona soyibona. So it's here, we let W be a subspace of a vector space V. And we have a set of vectors UP from V1 until UVK. In W, we say that this set of vectors is said to be a basis for W if the set spans all W and the set is also linearly independent. Okay, I see bonen in practical terms, all right? So we say masine yinye vector space. Mhlambe sibize i vector space from uv1, uv2 all the way until uvn minus 1. Ukuze le space lena, okay, we say this space, it is found in W. It is found in W. So for this space to be a basis, it must satisfy our conditions out too. The first condition is that this B must be spanning all. It spans all of ubani, all of W. So it must be in the span of all W. Meaning W wako, it is the span of this set of vectors. And secondly, what must happen? UB, the set B must be linearly independent. It must be linearly independent. But here, so because here we are just generalizing izinto. That's why it's becoming a bit messy. Let's just take an example and try to say with him. A basis here to prove with a set of vectors is a basis of a subspace. Kahle ihamba kanjena lento le, into enkulu yini i-vector space. Bese ke part we-vector space sithola ini i-subspace. Bese part we-subspace sithola ini i-basis. So that's how it works. So this set of vectors, just know the hierarchy yakhona. So a subspace, it is found inside a vector space. Bese ke a basis is found inside a subspace. So Tina, we are looking at this one, ama basis. So let's just say we take the standard base vectors. Let's just say you are given the standard base vectors to show that the vector E1, this is a vector E1 given by 1, 0, 0, E column vector. Then another vector E2 given by 0, 1, 0. Then another vector E3 given by 0, 0, 1. So I show that this set of vectors, so show that this set of vectors form a basis. So show that this set of vectors form a basis, and then what's a basis for V is equals to R3. For V is equals to R3. So this is our subspace. We want to try to see what lama bases, lama vectors lawa out 3. Do they form a basis? Remember, say ama conditions were to out 2. The set of vectors B, it must span all W. Let's prove E1 no E2 no E3. All of them, they are spanning this vector space R3. That's what we must first prove. Then next we must prove it is linearly independent. Okay, siprove kanjani? Asho sesiyakwazi ukuthola ispan angisho. How do we prove that E1, E2 and E3 they are in the span of R3? manje sathi siprove kanjani? We just take an element angisho esothini these are real numbers x no y nobani no z angisho, and then we say ukuthi if something is in the span of the other thing, it means that you can write that thing as a what? As a linear combination of lama vectors. Should I can say mina a constant c1 times the first vector e1 which is ubani 1 0 0 plus another constant c2 times the vector bani 0 1 0 plus another constant c3 times the vector 0 0 1. So once you are able to prove ukuthi kukhona ama constant u-c1 u-c2 no-c3 such that you can express this as a linear combination, then you would have proved ukuthi this is in the span of this. You would have proven ukuthi lama vectors lawa they are in the span of what? In the span of real numbers raised to the power 3. So you still remember how to deal with the span angisho. Asolve ke lana siboneni ukuthi are they really going to be in the span here? You can solve it ithi in lento lena u1 0 0 angisho, and then this is 0 1 0 and then this is 0 0 0 kanjena. Then this is multiplied by ubani u-c1 c2 c3 and what 1 la, right? So 0 0 1 c1 c2 and c3, and wonke lawa alingana nobani no x no y no z. And from here, if you try to solve our constant to c1 no c2 no c3, essentially you can just combine the matrix ibe 1 be 1 0 0 u 0 1 0 u 0 0 1, and ama solution wakhona kube ubani x y z. Now, and from here it's clear already, you don't need to reduce anything because lento le is reduced already. So lana ke this is what c3 is equals to z, and then c2 is equals to bani y, and then c1 is equals to x. So it means that there are constants that exist. So there are constants that exist such that you can write this as a what? As a linear combination. So essentially so probability as span and length. Prove ukuthi something is in the span of something, noma something spans something, you just need to try and prove ukuthi khona u-c1 u-c2 nobani no c3. Once you're able to solve for c1 c2 c3, you can now say therefore these standard base vectors wakho ubani u-e1 u-e2 no e3 they span, so they span real numbers no 3 phezulu kanjena. So provile kanjena. That's the first way of proving. But the other condition ekumele siyiprove so that le set izoba i-bases. The first one says provile and you should say u-B it spans all the vector space. In this case, vector space is subspaces bekuyilena. And then u-B must be linearly independent. So we need to prove ukuthi u-B wethu uyini linearly independent. So how do you prove ukuthi u-B wethu it is linearly independent? How do you prove that it is linearly independent? Noma how do we try to say ukuthi linearly independent? Senza kanjani konje? U-c1 angisho times the first vector, in this case it is v1 but ngizobhala u-e1 kanjena, plus another vector c2 angisho, or another scalar c2 e2 and another one c3 e3, bese si-equate nobani lento lena no zero vector. Sayibona ngisho. So thina ke khumulani ukuthi masikhuluma nge-linear independent, into linearly independent there are two conditions. First of all, when the linear combination, you can get a zero vector. That's the first one. The second condition, C1 no C2 no C3, they must be equal to 0. So actually, when you want to prove C1 no C2 no C3, balengana no 0. If sizofaka E1, the standard base vector eyokuqala lapha bekubani u1 0 0 ngisho. And then plus C2 ubani lona 0 1 0. And then plus C3 ubani lona 0 0 1. They must give us the zero vector which is 0 0 0. U0 vector always nama entries u0 0 0. So as solve C1, C2 no C3. Once singathola ukuthi balingana no 0, it means they are what? Linearly independent. If it's not equal to 0, angeke ukwazi ukwenza leyo deduction. So automatically lana you can just multiply. This is C1 0 0. This is C2 this is 0 ngisho. 0 C2 0. I'm sure I'm multiplying this scalar inside. And then this is gonna be bani 0 0 C3. And this is giving us 0 0 0. So my sesoso will C1 C2 C3 weights. Khumbulani ukuthi in vectors we add entries kanjani are corresponding. In this case we add C1 with ubani with U0 and U0 to get ubani U0. So this is C1 plus 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. So C1 ulingana nobani lapha 0. Okay, 1. We proved that the second constant C2 is also 0. So we're gonna add C2 lana. Same add nobani no 0. Nobani no 0. So essentially C2 ubani U0 now. Because we must get the outcome length. Then we add the third one. This is 0 plus 0 plus C3 is equals to bani to 0. So C3 wakho lingana nobani futhi no 0. So you have proven ukuthi kahle kahle lana all these constants C1, C2, C3 that give us E0 vector. All of them they are equal to bani to 0. And once all of them they are equal to 0, yini ongayisho ke lapho? It's linearly independent. The set of vectors E1, E2, E3 now they are what? Linearly independent. And once we prove that they are linearly independent, we prove that they also span the subspace. Then it means that they are a basis. So I conclude that therefore the Lama vectors law, the standard base vectors E1, E2, and E3 are a basis. Normally they form a basis of the subspace given by R3. Asibuyele emuva kancane. Sitheni i-basis siyithola phansi kwe-subspace. I-basis into kanjani? It has got two conditions. A basis must always span the subspace. Shuthi kahle kahle leyo basis leyo uyakwazi uyibhala in form of what? As a linear combination. So you start here. You must show to the basis it spans this kind. Sishowa kanjani singakhohlwa lana. This is a column vector having three real numbers. So ubani u-x no y no z. So what are you trying to prove lana? It is to prove ukuthi kukhona u-C1, khona u-C2 no C3. Such that when I multiply these scalars with Lama vectors law and add them together, I'm gonna get ubani real numbers. And then we are prove again local. You solve here, you only find out the value. U-C3 vele uz is a real number. Actually, we say it's a real number already. U-C2 is also a real number. U-C1 is also what? A real number. So you have already proven this is spanning in real numbers. This column vector. That's the first condition. The second condition will prove Lama bases law. They are linearly independent. Lega zero vector is always found. But for it to be linearly independent, C1 and C2 no C3, these three constants, they must be equal to bani to 0. So when you add these up, this is totally zero vector. Ufuna prove C1 no C2 no C3 ba 0. Once you prove C1, C2, C3 are equal to 0, then what can you say? It's linearly independent. So now you substitute your vectors. You do all the mathematics until you find out C1 no C2 no C3 bonke balingana nobani no 0. So it means that this is what? Is linearly independent. Once it satisfies our condition now 2, it's linearly independent. 1. Number 2, it is what? It is spanning, it spans the subspace. Then automatically it is a what? It's a basis. The set is a basis. But let's do more examples. But say straight delay essential. Because that's what we do to find. Okay. Let's just try to do more examples. Kona sobonuti. Say prove kanjani ukuthi this is a basis. A set of vectors is a basis of a subspace. Yes. So given a set of two vectors U1, 2, and another vector U3, 4. Another vector 3, 4. And then now they say with him, this set, is it a basis? Does it form a basis? No, is it a basis in R2? in R2. Singakhohlwa ukuthi this is just a column vector having two real numbers. Izobanzima lento. Asiyiboneni see, is it going to be hard? So what are the two things that you need to prove one? It spans. Siyabona ngisho. Shuthi masingathatha an element in R2, we just give it a name X, Y. This element is made up of real numbers. So we want to prove what it does it span. We want to ask ourselves what it does it span real numbers. So when we take X, Y, we must be able to write it using any constant C1 times the first vector, 1, 2, plus constant C2 times the second vector, ubani, 3, 4. So thina sifuna ukuprova nje ukuthi, do we have a constant C1 and C2 such that when you do a linear combination, you're gonna get real numbers. We do the same thing again. How do you combine matrix here to learn? This is 1, 2, 1. This is 3, 4. And then this is multiplied by ubani, C1, no C2. And the solutions is what real numbers are 3. It's X, Y, and Z. And Lana, if you solve for C1 or C2, you're definitely gonna get something because we can combine like the matrix A1, 1, 3, 2, 4, 1. And then our solutions were to add in land or X no Y pair. Yes, so it's just X and Y. You just have to solve with using error reduction line. How can you reduce the two lows at least 0? Because that's the only thing that you can do here. We can just do a row operation. This is 1, 3. This is X. How do we make it when the IP command line? Or negative 2R1 plus ubani or R2, we must be able to get 0. So this is 0. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. Negative 6 plus 4. Negative 6 plus 4 ban. Negative 2. And then negative 2x plus y. That's about negative 2x plus y. Masulana vele, you already see what you've got a constant ubani. Usi, this is equal to C1 Le equal to C2. So you already have negative 2 times constant C2 is equal to bani, negative 2x plus y. And you divide both sides. What is C2 going to give you? If you divide both sides, so tolu ban. So tolu x plus x minus y over 2. Yeah, x minus y over 2, or you can just combine it with A1. If you combine it with A1 over 2 lana zoban 2x minus y, is it? Yes, I think so. So this is 2x minus y. So C2 wakulingana nobani no 2x minus y. Remember, my linear combination says so that's why I'm being a bit fast there. And then C1 is somthola kanjani? It's in length. C1 plus 3 C2 must give us ubani x. So lana C1 plus 3 into C2 uthini 2x minus y over bani over 2 must give us x. So C1 there, this will be plus 6x angisho minus 3y. Suppose lo 3 lo multiplies this and this, right? And then this is over bani over 2 is equals to x. So C1 is equals to bani x minus 6x minus 3y over 2. Bese ungayihlanganisa ke lento le kube into eyi1 for simplicity's sake. This is going to be over 2. This is going to be 2x minus 6x angisho plus 3y. And then 2x minus 6x zosinika ubani lapha? 4x or negative angisho. So negative 4x plus 3y over 2 is the value kabani ka C1. So now how do we now prove ukuthi, since this is x and y, how do we now prove ukuthi this is spanning real numbers? Sesiyobuyela substitute angisho. So remember sithe xy is what? Is C1 times the first vector. C1 sesimtholile uthini? Uthi negative 4x plus 3y over bani over 2 times the first vector. I-first vector yethu esinayo lapha bekuthi beyithini konje? 1, 2, right? This is the first vector. C1 times the first vector ubani 1, 2. Bese u-C2 is 2x minus y over 2. The second vector beyithini konje? 3, 4. Konje sathi siprova kanjani konje lapha ukuthi these coefficients will make this to be a span. We just choose any number ngisho. So we just choose any number x and y. I'll just let them be equals to 1 for simplicity. Shuthi la kuno x khona iphutha ubani? U1 no 1. Sayibona ngisho. And on the other side, if I put U1 no 1 lana, I must get the same outcome as this other side. If I don't get the same outcome, it means I did something wrong, noma it doesn't span. So there are two options there. So njengoba ngifake U1 no 1, mangizofaka U1 la no 1 la, no 1 la no 1 la, i-total yonke must give me ubani? U1 1. If inganginiki u1 no 1, what does it mean? It's not spanning. Okay? So lana ke asiyenzeni le combination ke sifaka u1 la. This is negative 4 times 1, negative 4 plus 3 angisho over 2. U-negative 4 plus 3 over 2 sothola ubani? U-negative 4 plus 3 over 2 lapho sithola ubani? Negative 1 over 2 angisho. And let's just say lo negative 1 over 2 sim multiply to each end. Negative 1 over 2 times 1 sothola ubani? Negative 1 over 2. Negative 1 over 2 times 2 sothola ubani? Negative 1. That's the first one. Then the second part, masingafaka u1 no 1. This is 2 times 1 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 over 2 sithola ubani? 1. Ubani? 1 over 2, right? So lo 1 over 2 somthola la times u3 sothola ubani? 3 over 2 times u4 sothola u2. So when we combine lan, expect uthola ubani? U1 no 1. That's what you expect. If ungamtholi u1 no 1, then there's something wrong. So lana, if you say 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2 sithola ubani? 2 minus 1, 1. So essentially it means this is what? This is a span. This is spanning. So we can say, therefore we can say our set of vectors 1, 2, 3, 4. This set of vectors, they span real numbers. They span real numbers in a column vector. That's the first thing that you need to prove. For prove this is a basis. That's the first thing. Prove this is a basis. Linear independence angisho. So when we look for linear independence, konje sithe siprove kanjani yona? So siyothi C1 times the first vector angisho plus C2 times the second vector must give us what? The zero vector. Masingathi C1 times if first vector ithini konje? 1, 2. And then C2 times the second vector 4, 1, 3, 4. And the zero vector lana is having two entries, 1, 0, 0. So for us to prove that this is a linearly independent, what must we prove one? We must prove that C1 no C2 is equal to bani to 0. So as it prove any log. So if you put C1 inside, this is gonna be C1, this is gonna be 2C1. And then if you multiply C2 inside, this is gonna be 3C2, 4C2. This is giving us ubani 0, 0. Asolveni manje. Last thing, C1, which is the first entry, plus ubani 3C2, giving us ubani 0. So C1 plus 3C2 must give us 0. That's the first equation. The second equation esingayenza lana is 2C1 plus 4C2 must give us ubani 0 nakhona. So we can do 2C1 plus 4C2 giving us 0. We can use the substitution method to find the answer here. So in substitution lana. Lana we can just transpose lo 3C2 ayengalena. So C1 is what? Negative 3C2. And if you put negative 3C2 into the other equation, if you substitute this into here, this is gonna be 2C1 plus, okay, la no C1 khona sifaka ubani? Negative 3C2 plus 4C2 is equals to 0. Asolve-ke manje C2 wethu la. This is gonna be negative 6 C2 plus 4 C2 is equals to 0. Negative 6 plus 4 soluba. Negative 2 C2 is equals to 0. What is the value of C2? 0. But we must also find the value kabani ka C1 nakhona. Here C1 is negative 3 C2 angisho. So we can just put 0 here where there is C2. So essentially no C1 there is also equals to bani to 0. Once you prove that the constant C1 or C2 are equals to 0, it means it's what? Linearly independent. So therefore, the set of vectors 1, 2, 3, 4 is what? Linearly independent. Since probability we have proven it spans the subspace of real numbers with a 2 on top. We have proven it spans. And next, we have proven it is linearly independent. So what does it mean about it? It is a basis. So we can say, therefore, the set of vectors is a basis of the subspace R to the power of 2. Iba kanjalo nje. Inzima. Just need to understand our span, linear combination, and linear dependence, which is something that I think science are cool. So you can do the same thing until the end. You can do the same thing until the end, but in method, I say so we just need to look for other things to do. So yeah, that's it about basis. Khona nombuzo yini sizoqala. Noma khona onombuzo obhaliwe mhlawumbe afuna siwenze about ama-bases, because I've done every example that was done by Umis, so automatically we are done with this. Alright, khona nombuzo yini? Is there anyone with a question? Yeah, but yes. Okay. Yeah. Eqaleni sengizume. Out kancane. Oh yeah. La. Okay. So le matrix lane, I think we did this last time, but we paid. Mayini kanjena le matrix lane ne mawufuna ukusolve uC1 noC2. Ungakwazi ukuyihlanganisa ibe imatrix enjani? A1. Kanjani? You're gonna use this thing equal sign uXY as in ama solutions wakho. Uzowafaka lana as in ama solutions. So automatically leyo nto le izosolvela ubani? uC1 noC2. Shuthi icolumn lena icolumn kabani? Ka-C1. Icolumn lena icolumn kabani? Ka-C2. So automatically masenza i-row reduction yakho lapho yabona mase siyenzile i-row reduction sesilana. Lento le ithi -2 and the coefficient iubani? iu-C2. That's how you solve uC2. So uyakwazi ukuyihlanganisa i-matrix yakho into one matrix. To solve uC1 noC2, you can take these solutions uzifake phakathi kwe-matrix yakho and then uyi-row reduce le matrix until you get this into kanjani ibe yi-row reduced echelon form. So lo -2 lona, it is what? It is saying u-2 iyi-coefficient kabani? Ka-C2. Then uyakwazi umsolve uC2. And this is saying 1C1 plus 3C2 is equals to X. Uyakwazi umsolve uC1 from that. Or C1 or C2. Or ukuyihlanganisa sibe kanje. Okay, yes, you can also do that way. All right. So lana ke siyawonsi last no C1 times 1. C1 times 1 times 2. Lana sino C2 times 3, last no C2 times 4. So uyakwazi ukuyihlukanisa into two different matrices. Uthi lezinto lezi esomultiply ngazo uC1, it is ubani? U1 no2. And you're gonna multiply uC2 nobani? No3 no4. Bese uyibeka yona eceleni kanjena. If uzoyenza matrix multiplication, awubuthi senza kanjani? So it's 1 times bani? Times C1. It's still the same thing as saying 1 times C1. Phinde sithini? 3 times C2. It's still the same thing as saying 3 times C2. Yes, yeah, but awuhambi uyobuya ivideo le line-dependency ekuqaleni kwayo le ye-span nani nani. We explain le notation yonke lena. Alright. Alright, yeah. So iyona-ke into ngama-bases we are through with bases.